Okay, so in this video, we will solve the next Leetcode SQL problem. That is question number 586, which is the easy category. And let's read the question. Customer placing the largest number of orders. So if you want to give a try, click on the SQL schema, copy paste this content, and like it will help you to create a table and insert a sample number of records. Okay, so you have one table, orders table, where you have the order number and the customer number. All right, and you need to find a solution, write a solution to find the customer number. You need to find a customer number who has placed the largest number of orders. All right. So as an example, customer number one plays only one order. Customer number two plays only one order. Customer number three plays two order. So the answer is customer number. And they have mentioned that test cases are generated so that exactly one customer will be in the answer. So this is a very easy category question. So let's go to the PG admin. We will try in two ways. So if you have to find a, the customer who has placed the largest number of orders, so basically you will do group by customers. So basically, how many order customer place, customer number three place, how many order customer number two place, how many order customer number one place. So let's do that. Select customer number and count star from orders, group by customer number. Right. So if you do that, we go to know that customer number three has placed the two order, customer number two one order, customer like anyhow, like this will is in the descending order, but maybe it will not be in the descending order. So let's say count start as total orders. So that. So now what you just need to do is you need, this is a one table, right? One city table. What you need to do is you need to, let's create a city. I am intentionally doing it this way so that you can understand the city concept. And uh, so we have created a city. So now you have this table. Now from this table, if I have to tell you who has placed the more order, so what you can do is we can do select what we need. We need a customer number. From which table? We need from city table, because this city, because we call it city, from city. Order by total orders. Basically, we were arranging this table in a descending order based on the this table. So if you do that, we get that, right? But you need only one output, so we can do limit one, and you get the output. So you just copy paste this one and run here, submit it. Okay, so all our 19 test cases has been passed. So this is one way. Why this way is preferred, just to make the query even more flexible, right? Use the concept of city, or you can directly say like a select customer number from orders, group by customer number, right? Basically select customer number from orders, group by customer numbers, right? Order by count star and limit one. Basically I have merged this query, so if I run that, it will also give me the same. uh, what is this? It is giving something wrong. So here it is giving customer number three. Okay, order by count star descending. Okay, so you can also, uh, if you want a shorter query, you can do that as well. But from the optimization point of view, both are more or less same only. So it's up to you which one you want to follow. The first way I prefer, because this will help us to divide the query in further chunks, because anyhow this problem is easy, so maybe you can able to solve within a single query. But let's suppose they have added a couple of more extra conditions, then definitely you have to go with some city, right? So that's why I prefer this way, so that we can think in a better way. So okay, so we have like added one more column, total order, that is the count star. Then we know if we arrange in a descending order, we will get the top one, and we will do the limit one. So that's it. That's the end of the video. You can also give it a try, and thank you.